What's up guys, I'm Nomadikh, I'm a music producer, and in this video series called Sampling Music, I want to show you exactly how you can create new pieces of music from old recordings. And I'm going to show you exactly how this process works in this whole video series. For those of you guys who don't know what sampling is essentially a very practiced culture in hip-hop music where you take another piece of recordings from another published piece of music, and through manipulation, pitching it, changing the speed, or doing whatever it is you do with it, you take that and you create a new piece of art with it. A lot of people have doubts if it's legal or if it's proper or if it's right or if it's not right, but regardless, I'm making this video series because I love to sample and I've been doing it for a really long time. I know a lot of people are really curious about it and exactly how it works. So in this video series, I want to show you guys exactly how you can create beautiful new pieces of music through the process of sampling. So every single week, it's going to be a different genre. So today we're going to be doing soul sample, which is pretty, straightforward, pretty simple. But as the weeks progress, it's going to become more and more interesting and different. So soul is going to be today's episode. And without further ado, let's get down to business. All right, so first things first, we're gonna find a soul sample. So right now I'm on discogs.com, which is a website that has all published music out in the world for display right here on the website. And I'm not gonna go into too much detail because I have a tutorial on this already, but we're gonna start by clicking all, and we're gonna go to funk/soul. Year, we're gonna do 1970. And now I'm just gonna go through this and I'm gonna find something that sounds really cool. I'm gonna go to Greece. Let's do Greece. I'm just looking for pictures that look really cool. This looks cool. I don't even know what this is, but this looks pretty cool. Let's hear what it sounds like. Ooh. Okay, I can tell you right off the bat, I hear something like that, I can tell in 2 seconds if that's gonna be good or not. Give this video a thumbs up if you dig that, because I know this is gonna be a good sample. Okay, now I have the sample pulled up in Ableton, so we're gonna go through and we're gonna find the best part. Okay, so like right off the bat, what I'm thinking in my head, I'm always trying to look for things that I can loop over and over that like repeats on itself and sounds really good. And that first section is perfect. So I'm just gonna loop that section right now. So now I'm gonna go from that. I'm gonna add a little bit of percussion to get that vibe going. Now let's record a snare. Kick. Record the bass now. So basically, once I get the main beat down, I like to just go through the sample and find other parts that sound really good too. Because I'm not like 100% committed to the part I picked in the beginning, but I just like to play around and see what else sounds good. that's the beat. I hope you're digging this track. Let me know what you think. Leave a comment down below if you're digging this beat or not. And be sure to come back next week, because next week we're gonna be doing jazz music. So with that, I'll see you later, and peace out.